Hello children, good afternoon. Social Study Chapter 1. We will study about the globe. That means model of our earth. Globe means the model of our earth. In that we have seen that our earth is so unique, so beautiful, that seen in color blue, and in our planets only earth has got life. It has living beings, plants, animals, etc. It has many big mountains. It has rivers, it has forests, and it has plateaus, land as well. On our earth we have very big plains and deserts, etc. Very long time ago, people never believed that our earth is round in shape. They believe that if we journey beyond and beyond, we may fall somewhere. But later on, a Portuguese near about 450 years ago, a astronomer who discovered that our earth is not flat but it is round in shape, whose name is Copernicus. When Copernicus said that our earth is round in shape, not flat, but people did not believe him. Later, Ferdinand Magellan, who sailed around the earth and proved that our earth is complete round. He proved it in 1522. From that onwards, the people started believing that our earth is round in shape. Even today, the photographers has taken photos from the sky. They have found that the earth is round in shape and blue in color. My dear children, to study our earth is not easy. So, to make our task easier, we have some model of the earth where we can find accurate locations of each and everything. This is what we have seen in the model of the earth. Model of the earth means we study about the earth, what is existing on earth. Second point, we will see the rotation and revolution. First point, we saw the model of the earth. Now we will see the second point, the rotation and revolutions of the earth. Revolution of the earth. Dear children, what is rotation? Rotation means our earth rotates on its axis. I mean, पृथ्वी जो होती है अपनी धुरी पर जो नाचने का काम करती है, that is called rotation. Rotation results into day and nights. By rotating on its axis, I am just drawing a shape of the earth. It rotates from left to right. It rotates from left to right. See, a little figure I am to make you better explanations. I am showing you by drawing sun and the earth. See, the rays of the sun falls only half of the earth, which is known as day, and the part which is not seen lights known as night. This is called rotation. Our earth rotates makes one round in 24 hours. In 24 hours and 1/4. Because of rotations we have day and night. This is the result. Now we will see the revolution. Revolution means होता है चक्कर लगाना. Revolution means क्या होता है? चक्कर लगाना. Our earth has got its own orbit on which it rotates, revolves round the sun. This is sun and this is orbit of the earth. Our earth revolves around the sun. And it results into different seasons. Different places has got different seasons. Because why it is like that? Because the rays of the sun on the earth does not falls the same. It has got different variations of falling the rays on the earth. Because of differentiations in falling the rays of the sun has got different seasons on the earth in different places. Dear children, therefore we know that our earth is a most beautiful planet among all the planets, because it has life. Other non-planets has got any kind of life except our earth. Our earth is third largest planet of all the planets and is not very far, but its distance from the sun to the earth is very pleasant. That is why our earth has got life on it, and it looks so beautiful if we see from the sky. That's all.